Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Blogger blog private. You might ask me, why would you make your Blogger blog private? Great. You may want to make your Blogger blog to be private, probably while you are still building up the blog. You are adding content, the about me page, the contact page, and all that, and you don't want people to see uncompleted websites while you are still building the website. So let's go ahead and do the needful. So click on settings, and then it's going to show up the basic settings here. You have to scroll a little bit down. Right here you see blog readers, private only these readers. By default, your blog is going to be public. So if you want to make it private, you have two options. It's either you allow only the blog authors to be able to see the blog and read it, or you want to only allow a set of readers. So if you like to go with the first option, all you have to do is click on this and save your settings. Or if you want to allow more than just the blog authors to read the blog, probably you have someone that can give you feedback about what you are doing. So all you have to do is select this option and come over here. You have to know the person's email address and send him or her an invitation. And I'm going to use an example by adding my email address here. I'm going to write it there at yahoo.com. okay, and I'm going to save changes. There is another option right here where you can also search among your contacts. You just have to put in the contacts right here and click on search. But since we've been able to just put up the email here, we just hit save, and then as you can see right here, there is only one open invitation. So if I go ahead and open up a new tab and I'm going to visit the blog, you see the blog is not going to open for me because it's in private mode. So it's going to need an authentication for me to sign in, probably as one of the blog authors or one of the readers. So I'm going to sign in as one of the blog author. I'm going to put in the email address I supplied earlier, and then I'm going to click on next. Great. It says it doesn't look like you've been invited to read this blog because, as I said earlier, Blogger is going to send an invitation from the Blogger blog to the person's email, and the reader needs to accept the invitation before he or she can open or read the blog. So I'm going to go over to that Gmail address we use, and we need to accept the invitation. So I'm going to look at the invitation. Let me go over to the spam and see if the invitation is right there, and I can see it's not yet in my mail. Probably there is a delay or there is an error somewhere. Let me go over to the Blogger and see. Probably we made a mistake. Instead of writing at gmail.com, we have at yahoo.com. So I need to delete this particular invitation and add my and correct email to this box, and I'm going to hit save again, and Blogger is going to invite me. And let me go over to Gmail and refresh. Let me see. Wow, it's going to be in my spam inbox. As you can see right here, this is in my spam, and I'm going to click on accept invitation. And then once this is accepted, if I come back here. Wow, you see you've been invited to view a private blog, so I'm going to click on accept invitation. Wow, now I'm able to have access to the blogger blog. Wow, so this is how to make your blogger blog to become private, either to yourself only or to your co-authors or to other readers. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.